This Valentine's Day, light up his world with more than just love. Introducing the ultimate gadget for the man who has everything: flashlight gloves. The perfect hands-free solution for any adventure or task. Whether he's setting up camp at night, fishing before dawn, or fixing what's broken, these gloves are a game changer. With bright LED lights at his fingertips, durable construction, and comfortable fit, they're the ideal Valentine's gift for your boyfriend, husband, or any special man in your life. So why settle for ordinary when you can give him the extraordinary? Flashlight gloves. Because every man needs a bit of brilliance in their toolbox. Visit our website now to grab this cool gadget at a special Valentine's Day price. But hurry, it's a shining offer that won't last long. Are you looking for a fun and functional gadget for your desk or laptop? Introducing the mini USB fan with LED clock. This unique device not only keeps you cool, but also displays the time with its mesmerizing LED lights. The flexible design allows you to position the fan and the clock display as you like. It's perfect for gaming setups, desktops, and laptops. Get yours today and add a cool and useful gadget to your workspace. This script highlights the key features of the product and its potential use cases, aiming to attract potential customers.